Hi everybody, this is Miss Hopper. I'm going to show you how to get to Clever, which is a website that we're going to be using to access all of our different sites we're going to be using this year. So if you're borrowing a device, a Chromebook from us here, on the back of this, you're going to have your child's name, email address, and password. And so the password is what you're going to put in here to get on to this device. So I'm going to go ahead and type on this password. Let's see what the other one is. And it's going to come up. Oh, it already popped up. Let's pretend that did not pop up. How about that? Okay, so you're going to come up and it's going to look like this. Okay, so to get to Clever, if you have a device from us, we have a little shortcut right here that has a C on it. So you're going to click on it. And it's going to come up to this. So right up here, it says log in as student, which is what you're going to want to do. And it says type school name here. So you're just going to start typing West Morgan Elementary School. And you'll see it'll start coming up. But look, do not click on the one that's from Ohio. Make sure you've got the one that says West Morgan Elementary School, Morgan County School District, Alabama. Okay, because there is a West Elementary. So you need to make sure you get this one. Make sure it says West Morgan Elementary. And this will pop up. You're not a teacher, so you want to go to student login. And your teacher is going to give you this number. It's going to be the same number for the username and the password. So I'm going to just type this in real quick. I don't want you to see, well, I guess you'll kind of see it here for a second. And then the password. Oops, didn't go. Let's try that again. Log in. Now, you need to check your child's, you can save this as your child's password. Make sure that has your child's name here. And this is a page, and it has lots of different things on it. The apps that you're going to be wanting to use is going to be Schoology, and this one here that says iReady and iStation. So for Remote Wednesdays, we're mostly going to be using iReady and iStation. So iReady is our math program and iStation is our reading program. So if you click on iReady, it's going to take him right to the iReady site. And look, it has next lesson. And so all you have to do is click the next lesson and it'll start and take him through the next lesson. Now if you're doing iStation, so on Wednesdays, you'll do 30 minutes of iReady and 30 minutes of iStation. So iStation, you just click on it. And hopefully it comes up. Here it comes. Just takes a little bit. Kid jumping in there. And here is, you will be right here where it says reading. That's what you will click on.
Check your reading knowledge with tips along the way.
Okay, so that's how you get to those on.
Please enter your username.
That's how you get to that. So that's those two, iReady, iStation. That's the ones we need to focus on for right now. We'll talk more about Schoology in another video. But if you have any questions or anything, you can always contact us. Now I'm going to show you how to get to the same thing on a tablet or an iPad because it's a little different. So I'm going to put that to the side. And this one I've got. So the first thing you need to do on an iPad, if you're using like your device from home, is you're going to have to download two apps. So you're going to go to the App Store. And you're going to do search, and you're going to search for iReady. And it should be the first thing that pops up right there. And it looks like this, iReady Connect for Student. Download it. And the other one you're going to need is iStation. And it looks just like the little guy that's jumping. Download that one. So give those a second to download. Shouldn't take long because I've already had them downloaded on here. Now, you're going to be tempted to click on those two, but don't. Okay? They're only on there to help us with what we're fixing to do. Okay? Clever is what you're going to need. So if you need to go to your browser, you can type in, it's just clever.com. Okay? Clever.com. Same thing, type in your school name. Make sure it's West Morgan Elementary in Alabama. Student login. I will use the same one that I just did. You can save the password if you want. I'm going to put it down now so I don't want it saved to this device. It looks the same. So you're going to scroll there so you can see Schoology. But what we're working on is iReady and iStation. So when you click on iReady, it's going to pop up and it's going to say this. Open this page in iReady, and you're going to click yes, open it. And you'll have to rotate your device. And there's the same thing. You just click next lesson. Okay. Back to Clever. You might have to log in again. Like I said, this number is going to be sent to you. It's the same number for the username and password. This keeps you from having to log into each site. Okay, so that was iReady. iStation is the same. You just click on it. This one seems, do I want to open this in iStation? And click open. Give it a second because it takes a while. So same thing, you'll just click right here. So on Wednesdays, we'll be requiring 30 minutes of each. So you'll have 30 minutes in iStation and 30 minutes in iReady. Okay, so 30 here, 30 here. And we will be able to check to see how many minutes are spent there. If we do need to use Schoology at some point, and there will be some lessons on there, we will make another video to show you exactly how to use Schoology and how to get to the lessons there. And remember, if you have any questions, to please let us know. Thanks.